Pakistan's own protege terror group Lashkar-e-Taiba has split. Rattled by infighting, the US-designated terrorist and co-founder of Lashkar, Maulana Amir Hamza, has formed the Jaish-e-Mankafa. WION is in the process of verifying reports on the split that so far are unconfirmed, but still bifurcating and multiplying into multiple terror outfits, all with the same goal, that of murder, is nothing new in Pakistan. So just who is Hamza, the new old terrorist on the block? WION senior foreign editor Padma Rao takes a closer look.
It's called binary fission. That is the process by which single-celled organisms like amoebae multiply several times over and proliferate unhindered. With unrestricted help, support and arms from Pakistan's government and army, Pakistan terror groups like the Lashkar-e-Taiba have made binary fission a fine art over decades. Take a look at the multiple faces of one single murderous group. It all began in 1985 with the Jamaat-ud-Dawa founded by hate-spewing preacher Maulana Amir Hamza. That soon merged with another charity front, the Markaz-ud-Dawa, in 1996. 4 years later, and with generous funding from Al-Qaeda founder Osama bin Laden, the Lashkar-e-Taiba was born. It continues to receive training and weapons from the Pakistan Army and full encouragement to repeat terror acts like the 26/11 attacks in Mumbai. The Lashkar tapped suicide bombing talent early through its children's magazine titled Little Mujahid. When the entire global community, except Islamabad's best friend China, began to ban Lashkar, it simply bifurcated again. This time it formed new trusts, the Tehreek-e-Tahaffuz Qibla Awal, the Al-Anfal Trust and the Tehreek-e-Hurmat-e-Rasool. But of course it still set aside $5 million for terror strikes. The US tried banning all of them again, so the Lashkar simply decided to lend itself some respectability by forming the Milli Muslim League, a so-called political party. But the Trump administration went a step further and ordered Islamabad to turn the taps on funding for terror groups. And that's what has now split the Lashkar. Infighting broke out within the group after sharing the reduced funding, and voila, the amoeba has bifurcated again. While Hafiz Saeed will continue as Lashkar's chief, Maulana Amir Mirza of the so-called charitable wing Jamaat-ud-Dawa will now inaugurate another terror group called the Jaish-e-Mankafa. Maulana Amir Hamza is no greenhorn. He has fine-tuned the art of hate speeches for a long time. And one of his favorite targets is, yes, you guessed it, India, of course. Take a listen.
ये नरेंद्र मोदी कह रहा है, मियां नवाज शरीफ साहब, आज नरेंद्र मोदी को, आज आरएसएस राष्ट्रीय सेवक संघ जैसे दहशतगर्द परिवार के फर्द को आज ये जुर्रत इसलिए हुई है, आज ये दलेरी इसलिए हुई है कि आप हुक्मरानों ने इंडिया के मुकाबले में आपने पसपाई इख्तियार की है। आपने ये क्यों नहीं कहा? आज वो कहता है गिलकत मुतनाज़ा है, पाकिस्तान के में मुसलमान अक्सरियत का इलाका कहता मुतनाज़ा है, और तुमने कश्मीर के अंदर जहाँ मुसलमानों की अक्सरियत है, जो बरे सगीर की तकसीम का नामुकम्मल एजेंडा है।
It's futile to wonder whether the United States will act against Jaish-e-Mankafa now. It is even more pointless to expect Pakistan to take any action against the very terror groups it has nourished and raised for several decades. And never mind what the group's chief Maulana Hamza himself says about his so-called charitable activities, there is no doubt that within Pakistan, yet another murderous entity has just been born.